Hi, happy day to you. Today we're looking at notes for 4-7, real life trig problems, but with no pictures. Oh, scary. It's not that scary. You're just going to have to draw the picture yourself. Remember, trig has to, here we go. So step 1, draw a picture. And make sure your triangle has a right angle in it. Trig only works with right angle triangles, so your triangle has to look something like this, or maybe something like this, but it has to have that right angle in it, so it can't be looking any wonky. Second, you need to label the sides of the triangle just like you were doing in previous lessons. Still figure out what's opposite, what's hypotenuse, what's adjacent. Nothing's changed there. Next, you want to make sure you pick your trig ratio. Which trig ratio? Yeah, it's like a game show. Fun. To figure out if you need to find your missing side or your missing angle, whatever it's asking for in that situation. Let's go with purple. That's pink, but nice try. Fourth, if you're missing the angle, remember you need to use the inverse trig. That's where you press the second button and then either, tan -1, cos -1, or sine -1. And then on the flip side of that, if you are missing a side, you're going to be using that cross multiplication. Ooh, that's really dark. That's okay. You're going to be using that cross multiplication and the regular trig buttons. Your trig ratios, as we've been talking about, which you probably should have memorized by now, your sine, cosine, and tangent. That SOHCAHTOA acronym there. And last but not least, just again, remember that you need to be in degree mode if you're using a graphing calculator. That's the 83 or the 84, the big ones. If you're using the old school, middle school scientific calculator, not graphing, scientific, then you don't need to worry about it being in degree mode or not. Only if you're using the graphing. So we've got 2 examples to take a look at, and we'll see.